Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today we are going to talk about gratitude. The favors of God are uncountable. If ever we try to make a comprehensive list of them, we will soon realize that it is a futile task. Unfathomable is God's mercy, and innumerable are His blessings. So, if a person can eat 2 meals a day, has a shelter to live in, clothes to wear, a healthy body, the opportunity to get education, and friends and family to turn to, he can count himself to be one of the luckiest persons on the globe. But we seldom acknowledge the blessings of God, isn't it? We often take them for granted, and only when we are stripped of them do we realize what we always had. Our ungrateful attitude often leads us to depression and frustration. We brood and complain and show pessimism. We condemn others and become jealous of their happiness. We are seldom happy even when some good comes our way, because we are always looking towards people who are blessed with more favors than us. So I would like to suggest some measures which can help us becoming more grateful to God, more thankful to the Almighty. Firstly, we should specifically plan to take time out every day to reflect on the blessings we have received from God. We should try to imagine our life without some of them. For example, we can reflect what we would have to go through if we did not have our eyes, or we would be deaf or lame or mentally retarded. So this is an exercise that we should do regularly, and this will inculcate in us that great feeling of gratitude for the Almighty. The second measure that I would suggest is that we should realize that we were not entitled to the favors we have been blessed with. We did not deserve them. We did not earn them. In most cases, they purely are a gift of God. We should contemplate that if God has given us such favors, He can also take them away from us whenever He wants to. So, we must not be indifferent to people around us who are afflicted with any calamity. Fortunes can reverse any time, and if God wants, He can take away His blessings and reduce us to indigence. The next measure that I would suggest is that we should always look at people who are less blessed than us. If we look around, we are bound to find so many people who are deprived of what we ourselves have. So with this will come the appreciation of the favors we have and which we take for granted. And finally, dear viewers, we must realize that perhaps the greatest way to express our gratitude to God is to share our favors and blessings with others. If we do so, we will soon come to realize that sharing them will make their treasures grow and make us spiritually satisfied individuals.